Hello, everyone. Take a deep breath. Today, we are going to talk about something emotional, something powerful, something that stops millions of learners from speaking English. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Your simple support helps us create more helpful English lessons for you.
Yes, and today, we are going to speak from the heart. Not just grammar, not just vocabulary, but courage. Many people wait and wait and wait because they think they must be perfect before they speak English. But the truth is, perfection is a trap.
So many students say, I will speak when my English is perfect, when I know more, when I am confident. But these moments never come because confidence doesn't appear before you speak. Confidence appears after you speak.
Exactly. Some learners feel fear in their chest, shaking in their voice, hesitation in their mind. They are scared of mistakes, scared of judgment, scared of sounding wrong. But listen carefully. Mistakes are signs of progress. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Mistakes are beautiful.
I want you to imagine something. Imagine a small child learning to walk. The child falls again and again and again. But does anyone laugh at the child? No. Everyone smiles, supports, encourages. Why? Because falling is part of learning. Now listen, you are not too old. You are not too late. You are not bad at English. You are just a learner who needs practice.
Hassan, can I tell you something emotional?
Yes, go ahead.
When I first started learning English, my hands used to shake. I was afraid people would laugh at me. I was afraid they would judge my accent. I was afraid they would say, "Your English is bad." And guess what? Nobody said that. No one laughed. People were actually kind. They helped me. They corrected me. They appreciated that I was trying.
That's true. People are kinder than you think. The fear is in your mind, not in reality. Because when you speak, people listen. When you make mistakes, people understand. When you try, people respect you.
You know, someone once told me, perfect English is not real. Even native speakers don't speak perfect English. They pause, they say, you know, they forget words, they repeat, they correct themselves. Yet learners think they must be perfect? No, no, no. You must be real, not perfect.
Let me tell you a secret. Your broken English is still powerful. Your simple English is still beautiful. Your imperfect English is still communication. And communication is the real goal.
Rima, have you ever cried because of English?
Yes, many times. I felt frustrated. I thought I wasn't improving. I felt stuck. But one day I realized something. The only person stopping me was me. My own fear was the prison. And when I started speaking, even with mistakes, I felt free.
That's what I want everyone watching to feel. Freedom. Confidence. Courage. Not perfection.
Let's talk. Let's practice. Let's speak naturally. No pressure, no fear, no judgment.
Yes, and if your voice shakes, let it shake. If your grammar breaks, let it break. If your accent is different, let it be different. Just speak.
Because your English has value. Your English has meaning. Your English has purpose.
And your voice deserves to be heard.
Now that we talked about fear and courage, let's learn something useful, something you can use today. We're going to learn how to use the past tense naturally in everyday life.
Yes, many beginners feel scared to use the past tense. But trust me, it's easier than you think. If something happened yesterday, last night, this morning, before, or any time in the past, you simply use the past tense.
For example, I go becomes I went. I eat becomes I ate. I see becomes I saw.
Don't worry about being perfect. Even if your sentence is simple, you are still speaking English. And that's what matters.
What did you do yesterday?
I watched a movie yesterday.
Nice. I visited my friend yesterday.
What did you eat in the morning?
I ate bread and eggs. What about you?
I ate rice and vegetables.
Last night, I studied English for 1 hour.
That's great. I cooked dinner and then I slept early.
Yesterday was a busy day for me.
Same here. I worked a lot.
See, speaking English is not about perfection. It's about expression. When you use simple past tense, you communicate clearly.
Exactly. And when you speak, even with mistakes, you grow. If you wait for perfect English, you will wait forever. But if you start speaking now, your English will improve every day.
Don't fear mistakes. They are not your enemy. They are your teachers.
Your job is not to be perfect. Your job is to be brave. Speak, practice, try. Use present tense, use past tense. Mix them. Just speak.
Your future English will thank you. Your future self will thank you.
Thank you for watching this long lesson. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share.
And remember,
You don't need perfect English. You just need to start.
see you in the next video.